Hey cousins, welcome back to our series on imposter syndrome. I'm Kai from Created for Purpose, and today we're talking about the importance of building a support network. Having a support network of trusted friends, family, or colleagues can make a big difference in managing imposter syndrome. These individuals can provide perspective, encouragement, and remind you of your worth when you're feeling doubtful. Start by reaching out to people you trust and share your feelings with them. You might be surprised to learn that many of them have experienced similar feelings of self-doubt. Opening up can create a sense of connection and mutual support. It's also beneficial to seek out mentors or role models who can provide guidance and share their own experiences. A mentor can offer valuable insights and help you navigate challenges with more confidence. Look for someone you admire and feel comfortable reaching out to for advice. Joining communities or groups related to your interests or profession can also help. These groups provide opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals who understand your struggles and can offer support. Online forums, social media groups, or local meetups are great places to start. Remember, building a support network is not just about receiving help, but also about offering it. Supporting others can reinforce your own confidence and remind you of your strengths. Share in the comments if you have a support network and how it has helped you manage imposter syndrome. And don't forget, there's a free download link in the description with more information and resources on imposter syndrome. It's a valuable tool to help you build your support network. See you tomorrow for more insights.